tell you it is blowing down or not blowing down?
Yes, it will be
because,
giving the pressure loss. It will give the indication there is a blows going on.
Yeah. So can I take the consideration of PI 1001?
You can.
Yeah. Think local PI, right? Now?
Yeah, local PI.
Yeah. So
is
guys,
that the PI that we would normally maybe just checking that is that the PI Kuma that we would normally use to know whether we've completely depressurized that vessel, or is this any other thing?
This is the pressure indicator we are using routine checks as well as recording reading every daily basis for every 4 hours. And during the training, flushing or depressurization, this is the only indication we have. So we are fully rely on this PI.
Okay. And Kumar, what is the range? What is the range of this PI indicator? 0 to 10 bar G or 0 to 1 bar G or PSI?
Honestly, I'm not sure exactly, but our pressure, normal pressure 180, it must be 0 to 500. I will ask the guys to check, verify.
Yes,
it's sure there is 0 to 500 PSI.
Okay, that means as Kedar has mentioned, they are going to pressurize the nitrogen up to 200 PSI. So of course, this PI will help you whether to know that whether the blowing down or depressurizer is happening or not happening. So we can take the credit of this PI. I think guys, for this case, we have got sufficient safeguard for delayed depressurization. But now, as our friend Sylvester has mentioned that we do not know whether there is a possibility of debris or no, then I will consider this RO 1001 potential blockage due to debris. So I will consider potential blockage of RO 1001. RO size is approximately 7 mm. 7 mm. 7 mm. Due to debris. Okay, so ultimately, if RO is blocked, say for example, but I go with Kumarsan also. Kumarsan says it's a crystal clear LPG. There is no possibility of debris, but for designer, we can consider there is a possibility because of corrosion or because of sub debris. So ultimately, the same impact will happen. Okay, how do I know my RO is blocked? Do you have any PI downstream here? Or if not, why not? Can you put some PI here? Local PI?
Mr. Wait, now what happened? We are saying that there is no flow. Okay, we can see that due to the wall closure, or this is the second cause, like because of the debris, RO is blocked. So in that what happened? There is no flow to the flare, right? So the pressure will be the built up into the our this bullet. So as Kumar also told that there is a PI is there. So we know that the reading from that is this pressurized the vessel. Now instead of 200, it's going to 200, 250. And one PI also what we are highlighted that also is before the RO. So we have that, we can say we have the safeguard to say that if any blockage or there is no any flow through the RO, we have the of the PI. So from the PI, we know that the pressure is going to start built up. So there is some issues with the flow transfer.
I think is it not more? It would build up, but then it would not go